Two giants in online course creation, Thinkific versus Udemy. Which one really delivers? On the left, Thinkific, your go-to platform to build, brand, and monetize an online academy. And on the right, Udemy, the massive marketplace to teach the world and reach millions. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. So, before we go deep, here's a quick mind map of what we're judging these two on. Business model, customization and branding, audience reach, pricing and revenue, course features, support and community, and mobile experience. Each of these matters for your journey as a course creator. So, let's roll. All right, first off, business model. Thinkific honestly gives you full ownership. You get all your student data, you control the pricing, and your site's totally branded as yours. But you'll have to do your own marketing. And those premium features, they do cost more monthly. Then there's Udemy. Super instant, right? You just sign up and boom, your course is out there for millions of eyeballs. Udemy takes care of traffic and setup. Feels pretty hands-off. The flip side though, Udemy does control your pricing, and wow, those commission fees can sting, sometimes up to 50%. Plus, you don't really get to own your brand. So if you're dreaming about empire building, Thinkific nabs the win here. Next up, customization and branding. With Thinkific, you're looking at custom domains, white labeling if you're on the premium plan, and you can totally tweak how your site looks and feels. Flexible content delivery? Yep. Only catch, the coolest stuff will cost extra. Now, Udemy, it's kind of a one-size-fits-all. No custom website, no white labeling, and you're stuck with Udemy's branding. Content options are pretty basic too. So if you want your brand front and center, Thinkific is the clear winner. Let's talk audience reach. So this is where Udemy flexes big time. Their user base is massive, 50 million and counting. For beginners, it's awesome. You upload a course and there's automatic discoverability. Organic student traffic? No sweat. Downside? Visibility is all about those search rankings, so you might get buried. Thinkific, on the other hand, you got to build your own audience, use your own marketing tools, and, well, it's definitely more work. No built-in marketplace means you've got to hustle. Bottom line here, Udemy easily takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that over 70,000 instructors have published on Udemy? Wild! But most established brands still go with platforms like Thinkific if they want that full control. On to pricing and revenue. With Thinkific, you get to fully control what your course costs, and transaction fees are pretty light. Plus, there's no cap on how much you can earn. But yeah, you do pay those monthly subscription fees. Udemy, meanwhile, has no upfront costs, which is super attractive, but then you realize there's revenue sharing. They take up to 50%, and you can't set your own price freely. That stings for entrepreneurs. So, for maximizing earnings, Thinkific wins it. Course features. Now, this is fun stuff. Thinkific lets you do all sorts of formats. Memberships, drip content releases, private access, live sessions, even digital downloads. Loads of flexibility. But, real talk, the snazzy features are locked behind higher-priced plans, and getting it set up takes a minute. Udemy sticks to the basics. Courses, quizzes, certificates. Solid for simplicity, but no advanced things like coaching or memberships. If you want depth, Thinkific takes this one hands down. Support and community time. With Thinkific, higher paid plans get you direct phone calls and a pretty active user community, especially on Facebook. Lower tiers, not so much phone support, and that might be a letdown. Udemy offers email support and official forums, which is nice, but no phone support at all. So, if you need a little more guidance, Thinkific edges it out again. Last one, mobile experience. Thinkific sites are responsive, so your courses do look good on phones and tablets. But, and this is kind of big, a native student app? Nope. Udemy's got a dedicated mobile app for iOS and Android, used by a huge chunk of their user base. Only thing, it's Udemy branded, not yours. Still, you can't ignore that slick app, so Udemy takes the win for mobile. Here's a quick visual of how Thinkific and Udemy stack up across all of these categories. You'll notice Thinkific dominates on control, features, and branding. Udemy's strength is totally that huge reach and mobile experience. So, my final take, if you're serious about building your own brand, growing your business, and maximizing your revenue. Thinkific is a total pros platform. Udemy works best if you just want to jump in quick, reach a ton of students, and don't mind handing over some control. It's all about what you want, honestly. If you found this breakdown helpful, stick around for more. Bookmark this for your next learning adventure. And hey, let me know in the comments which platform you're betting on.